hello. Be grateful for what you have in your life right now. When you appreciate what you have, you start attracting more kind people, good situations, opportunities, or things to your life. It's like a law of attraction. The more you focus, the more you appreciate, the more you attract. And it's fine to wish for something more in your life, but simply instead of worrying and being anxious for what you still need to get, what you still want to have, you simply redirect your focus and attention on what you have right now, and you express gratitude on this. So learn being grateful. And simply you can do this by telling every day or writing down on your notebook, what are you grateful for? And it can be small or big things. It can be situations, people, things, realizations, anything that you feel grateful for. And it can be the same or different things. Just try to at least spend a few minutes every day on expressing your gratitude, on saying thank you, on something that you appreciate. And also write down what you also want to achieve in your life, and express gratitude for something that you still want to have in your life, because you're already trying to imagine that you're going to achieve something and you're already grateful for that. So it says wherever our focus goes, it grows. So if you focus on something that you want to achieve, so a specific goal, and you imagine that it's already happening now and you're grateful for that, it will slowly start becoming reality. And also very important is to be grateful for difficulties and challenges. I know it's not easy to be grateful for something we may not like. It's of course easier to be grateful for something we like, but even if we express gratitude for those difficulties and challenges, we become even more fortunate, because we start realizing more in everything. We don't anymore separate good or bad. We see something beneficial, something to be grateful for in the good and also in that difficulty. Because even difficulties and challenges, they always help us. They teach us something. It's a lesson for us to change something, to make something better in this life. So accept those challenges and difficulties as a lesson, as a gift, and be grateful even for those things. And remember that there is someone in this life who has less than you. So try to appreciate what you have and appreciate when you have now, because one day you may lose, and only then you realize how precious it was for you. So notice now the people around you, notice now the opportunities you have, notice now the situations that help you, and be grateful for that. Don't wait for that time when you may lose it. Focus now and be grateful now for all that, and attract more good, what you want in your life. And we wish you happiness.